Here I go again, lost alone in this haze of blue. In the desert haze it lies and all the fire burns. To take the wounds away from the pain and know that there was nothing to gain. Symptoms are the love that bother, even with the speck of love and all the shame. Symptoms, oh now we got it going on. You found me burned down in the house all alone. To take the pain and walk away, to leave the weight and leave remains. Symptoms are what this is all that remains. Don't you remember all the flames? Young child born into a rage, a life that just remain. You can find me down here in this broken cage. The symptoms all that remain. Hiding on the dollar bill sign with the way to world, the way to mine, and never get me recognized. You were there, always to care. Symptom and never there. All that remains is in the fire. That's the flame that burns inside the house of these chains. So walk around the trail with me, and you will feel the disease. So nice, you will realize in alone, darkest hole. You can find me down here on the broken trail, in the fire, all the flame burning well. Cause already how it boats, now you know. In the coldest region where there is all the lost souls, burning in the flame of life. In this world you can't buy to take away. I don't wanna be the one that doesn't know, even with a girl to shine bright. Now I know, now I know I can't look back. Look back into the wrong way, even when you went away. Take the tears of pain, burn them into rain. Turn those tears into rain.